to fix Instagram story quality. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you guys how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go to your settings of your phone, open it and then open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Instagram. Open Instagram like this, scroll down the screen and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then go back and click on force stop, click also OK, and now what you should do, you have to go to this option, set as a default. As you see here, open supported links, you have to allow it like I'm doing, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another videos.